Hi everyone, happy to meet you in a new lesson. Today I'm going to share with you some expressions on how to apologize to someone. What is to apologize? To apologize simply is to tell someone that you are sorry for having done something wrong that caused him inconvenience or unhappiness. In this case, you need to say sorry to that person. What are the expressions you have to use as an English learner to express apology? For example, do you know where is my dictionary? I don't know, I'm sorry. So here we are going to share some expressions, examples, and exercises to practice using these expressions in your daily life routine. So making the apology, you can say here, I do apologize for, and you mention the mistake or the error that you do with someone. I must apologize for, I apologize for, I'd like to apologize for, I'm so sorry for, I shouldn't have do this mistake with you, for example. It's all my fault. I'm ashamed of. Please forgive me for. Excuse me for. I'm terribly sorry for. Pardon me for this. Please forgive me for my mistake. Please accept my apologies for forgetting not to bring, for example, your stuff. Here, to accept the apology, you can say here, that's all right, never mind. Don't apologize. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Don't mention it. That's okay. I quite understand. You couldn't help it. Forget about it. Don't worry about it. No harm done. As a new learner, uh, you can only choose two expressions for each, making apologize and accepting apologize. Then use them every day. Once you memorize these two expressions, you can move to add more other expressions to enrich your background knowledge. Remember, I'd like to apologize is the short form of I would like to apologize. So here they are the same. The first one is short form, the second one is full form. Example, I'm sorry, sir, for being late. That's okay. Example, Anna wants to borrow English book, but she doesn't get that book. She is talking to the librarian. Mr. Titan, may I help you, Anna? I want to borrow an English book. Mr. Titan, I'm sorry, your friends borrowed it. And Anna, it's okay, thanks a lot for your help. Mr. Titan, you are welcome here. The expressions that used in this conversation are I'm sorry, it's okay. So here is an exercise. Fill in the blanks with the expressions below. Never mind. I'm so sorry. Sorry. It's all right. Take a moment and do this exercise. That's the end. Thank you for following. I hope that lesson is very simple for you to understand. And please don't forget to share it with your colleagues. Our 5 minutes lessons will help you a lot to understand English lessons step by step. Take care and goodbye for now. See you.